we're currently in Seattle right now. We need to get to Idaho by 10 in the morning. I promise there's a good reason for this. It's 4 o'clock now, getting gas. It's 5 o'clock, we're getting some snacks. These will do. It's about 6 o'clock right now, and I think I owe you guys an explanation of what we're doing. There's a roller coaster manufacturer that's located in Idaho known as Rocky Mountain Construction. And as of recently, they've been building some of the best rides, some of my favorite roller coasters. In about 4 hours, we have a tour of their workshop. What's super exciting is they're literally in between projects. So they're gonna have all sorts of really cool stuff. And here's hoping we could see some maybe exclusive things. I'm just taking this time to kind of think about what I'm about to do. This isn't something people get to do, and I'm very, very fortunate and lucky to have this opportunity to tour a roller coaster manufacturer's workshop. Once you actually think about it, what? All right, so what's happening now is I'm charging up devices and exporting clips to my external drive because I want to record a lot.
My name's Amy, and my dad started RMC out of his garage in Athol, Idaho. So we built our first coaster, Texas Giant, out of this shop because this is all we had at the time. We didn't have a big facility to do it in, so this is now our machine shop.
Dude.
Maybe we could be friends more. I got a job, but I be free on the weekends for sure. I ain't shallow, rather hop in you deep and me and more. She a short shot of the thing to lean on.
So we have a whole parts department that we have to have basically almost every part that goes on any roller coaster, train, or coaster available within 48 hours to ship to any park. You can see we have seat belts. All these are parts and pieces that we have to have in stock. I don't even know what they all are.
What they saying, I hold you tight, told the world I need a break like a drum roll.
This is the building where they straight up build roller coaster track. You gotta put hard hats on because they have moving cranes, which are literally carrying pieces of track. All right, let's get going. So that is real roller coaster track.
Yep. Coming to a park near you someday.
That's so cool.
I can't tell you where.
You got an attitude, but that's your style. Maybe if I could get up in your latitude somehow, then we could put the past back where it belongs for now. Ow. Saturday special, won't stress or upset you. True story. Don't know how to rest, do. Saturday special, Saturday special, won't stress or upset you. Don't know how to rest, do. Saturday special.
I can't tell ya. If I told you, I have to kill ya.
That was so cool. I'm speechless. So I don't know if you guys heard that. All the pieces we just saw in there are for a roller coaster that cannot be announced right now. They're literally working on a roller coaster that cannot be announced. Now RMC has built a roller coaster for a theme park that is literally 20 minutes from here. That is our next stop. So thoughts?
Just an incredible facility, just very clean and massive scale. of manufacturing you don't see on a non-military or aerospace scale.
You can see it right over there. That roller coaster is built by Rocky Mountain Construction. It's actually the same model of coaster as the one that we just saw in their warehouse.
I used to punch the clock, taking lunches in a box, crunching numbers will I make it to the top. I've been frontin', I ain't even had a weekend, I forgot, got heat, I need a drop if I'ma ever get up and out of this spot. Fridays are so-so, Sundays I'm low those, Mondays are fun crushes like cold flow. Girl, you keep me up like no, you know those.
Dude! Oh my goodness! Whoa! What the heck is this? Here we go! Oh my gosh! No way! That was incredible!
You my southern comfort like so cold, you yo but now I feel on top of everything like a toupee. We don't even need no food and liquor like Lupe. Everybody working for the weekend too, hey, cause Saturday's special, stress so upset you. I rest Saturday's special.
Hi, can I just get a root beer float, please? This is a weird statement, but this ride is actually historical. See, this was the first roller coaster to actually successfully go upside down. So this ride really kind of paved the way for all other roller coasters that go upside down, which is a lot of them. We're just checking out this abandoned mining site.